Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 3.3 question number 6. Take the data giving the minimum and maximum temperature of various cities given in the beginning of this table, that is table 3.1. Plot a double bar graph using the data and answer the following. Which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given data? Which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature for other. Name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature. Right? Let us find. Suppose this is the double bar graph we have shown here. Here we have shown that one scale is equal to 1 5 degrees centigrade, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 and 70 degree. And in x-axis we have shown the different name of the cities: Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Mangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and Mumbai. Right? Here we have shown here that maximum temperature is blue, that the bar representing the shading in blue color is the maximum temperature, and the bar shading in red is the representation of minimum temperature. Right? Now we'll give the shading here. Here you see we are giving the shading, that is, first we'll give the blue shade. We'll give the blue shade first. Here we are giving the blue shading, right? And this blue, this will be blue, because it is the maximum temperature represented. This bar representing maximum temperature, right? And this one is also right. Now these bars are representation, the red bars representation of minimum temperature. Therefore this is red, this is minimum temperature, this is red in color, or we are shading this bar as red. We are shading these bars a red color, that means these are the minimum temperatures. This is also red in color, this one, right? We have got the double bars, and here you see that these bars, that is the blue bars, are representing maximum temperature, and the red bars representing the minimum temperature, right? Now we'll see now question number 1. Here you find that in the table 3.1 it is given that temperature of cities as on 2006, right? Here you see these are the, again we are representing this one as red, represent this one as red, this is representation in red color, right? Now here you see the table 3.1, that is temperature of cities as on 2026 city: Ahmedabad maximum 38 degree, minimum 29 degree centigrade; Amritsar 37 26 degree centigrade; Bangalore 28 degree 21 degree centigrade; Chennai 36 degree 27 degree centigrade; but Delhi 38 degree centigrade and 28 degree centigrade; Jaipur 39 degree centigrade 29 degree centigrade; Jammu 41 degree centigrade 26 degree centigrade; Mumbai 32 degree centigrade, and minimum is 27 degree centigrade. Here you find the temperature difference, right? Here you find that is 38 minus 29 is 9 degree, 37 minus 26, that is it is 11 degree, 28 minus 21 it is 7 degree, 36 minus 27 it is 9 degree, 38 minus 10, 38 minus 28 it is 10 degree centigrade, 39 minus 29 it is also 10 degree centigrade. It is also 10 degree centigrade. 39 minus 29, 10 degrees centigrade. 41 minus 26, 15 degrees centigrade. And 32 minus 27 is 5 degrees centigrade. Now the question is, what is the question? Which city has the largest difference in minimum and maximum temperature on the given data? Here you can see from the graph and from the table also that Jammu has the temperature difference of 15 degrees centigrade. Therefore, we can say which city has the largest difference in minimum and maximum temperature on the given data. The answer is Jammu, right? Therefore, Jammu. Answer is Jammu. It also write in green color. Therefore, the answer is Jammu here. Jammu has the Jammu. Here see, Jammu has the largest difference in temperature, and that is 15 degrees centigrade, right? The difference is 15 degrees centigrade. Here you can write that Jammu, which city has the largest difference in minimum and maximum temperature on the given data? The answer is Jammu. Which city is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Here from the graph also and from the table also you can say that the maximum temperature of Jammu was 41 degrees centigrade. Here you see the maximum temperature of Jammu, the maximum temperature of Jammu is 41 degrees centigrade and the minimum temperature of Bangalore is 28 degrees centigrade. Therefore, you can say that Jammu is the hottest city and Bangalore is the coldest city. Yes, we can write here also. That is question number 2. Writing the answer of question number 2 here. You see question number 2, that Jammu is the hottest city because the maximum temperature of Jammu is 41 degrees centigrade. Right here you see maximum temperature of Jammu is 41 degrees centigrade and the maximum temperature of Bangalore is 28 degrees centigrade. Here you see, therefore you can say that Jammu is the hottest city. That Jammu is the hottest city. Jammu is the hottest city. Jammu is the hottest. Jammu is the hottest city and Bangalore is the coldest city. And Bangalore is the coldest city. Is the coldest city. Coldest city. Right? Now question number 3, what is the name 2 cities where the maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. Right? Now if we compare from the table or from the graph, from both we are getting Bangalore and Jaipur. You see, in Bangalore, the minimum temperature is 28 degrees centigrade. Here you see the temperature of Bangalore, the maximum temperature is 28 degrees centigrade and the minimum temperature is 21 degrees centigrade, right? And Ahmedabad, that is, it is maximum temperature is 38 degrees centigrade and minimum is 29 degrees centigrade, right? Here the question, name 2 cities where the maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other, right? Here the minimum temperature of Ahmedabad, the minimum temperature for Ahmedabad is 29 degrees centigrade and in Bangalore the maximum temperature maximum temperature is 28 degrees centigrade. That is, it is less than the maximum temperature of Ahmedabad, right? That means the maximum temperature of Bangalore is less than the minimum temperature of Ahmedabad, right? You can write here as Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Bangalore and Ahmedabad. That is question number 3. Here we are writing of answer question number 3. That is This question number 3 is Bangalore. That is Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Bangalore Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Right? This is name two cities where the maximum temperature one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. And also you can find another, that is Bangalore and Jaipur. Here you see Bangalore and Jaipur. In Bangalore, the minimum temperature is 28 degree, 21 degrees centigrade. Here you see 21 degrees centigrade. And in Jaipur, you see Jaipur, the minimum temperature is 29 degrees centigrade, 28 degrees centigrade, 29 degrees centigrade. That is Bangalore and Jaipur also. Bangalore, the minimum temperature is 21 degrees centigrade, and in case of Jaipur, the maximum, and in case of Jaipur, you see here, Jaipur, the maximum temperature is 39 and minimum temperature is 29 degrees centigrade. And here in case of Bangalore, you see that is Jaipur is 29 degrees centigrade. Right here, the maximum temperature of Bangalore is 28 degrees centigrade. Right. Our name two cities where the minimum temperature of one, that the minimum temperature of Jaipur is 29 degrees centigrade, but the maximum temperature of Bangalore is 28 degrees centigrade. Therefore, you can also write Bangalore and Jaipur. Right. That is Bangalore and Jaipur. Here, we are writing Bangalore and Jaipur also. Right. That is Bangalore and Jaipur. Bangalore and Jaipur and Jaipur. Bangalore and Jaipur. Right. Now question number 4. Name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature. Here you see, if you see from the table, that is temperature difference between of Mumbai, or from the graph also you can find the temperature difference is only 5 degrees centigrade. Here you see the temperature difference is only 5 degrees centigrade in case of Mumbai. Therefore the city is Mumbai. Right. Again we are trying to explain this one, that we are trying to explaining that this one question, they take the given data given minimum and maximum temperatures of various cities of table 3.1. This is at the table of 3.1 Ahmedabad, Amritsar, like this. And what we are getting, you see here, again we are trying to color the bars again. Right here they are trying to that is blue color, is blue color, these will be blue color. Right, these will be in blue color, these will be in blue color, this is blue, and this is also blue, this is also in blue color. This is in blue color. Right, these are all in blue color. And these are in red color. And the red color, that is this bar is in a red color, this bar is in red color, this one is red. Right, these are bars in red color. You see this is red. This is also red. That is the minimum temperatures representing by shaded of shading by red color, right? Shading by red color. Here this one. Right, dear friends, here you see that we are representing the blue color bars is represented that maximum temperature and the red color bar represented by minimum temperature, right? And we have taken 1 unit is equal to 5 degree centigrade, right? This is the solution of question number 6 of exercise 3.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.